Well, tonight on the NBC 10 Health Watch, a local doctor says if you've tried diet and exercise and still your bulges refuse to budge, there's a new option for you, a non-surgical way to melt away the fat. He says it's becoming popular with men and women in our area.
Just a little bit silly.
Sue says she watches what she eats, stays active, and exercises religiously. Yet she says she just can't seem to get rid of that excess bit of fat around her midriff and hips. You probably call them love handles. Sue has another name for them.
After all the years of working out, I can't get rid of the gush on the sides and in the belly. That's the gush.
Sue has come to Dr. Eric Bernstein's office to have that gush chilled away with a new process called Zeltique. The laser is so new that Dr. Bernstein is the only doctor in 5 states to have one.
Zeltique is the process of cooling the fat in a controlled manner. In the U.S., Zeltique is cleared for skin cooling, but in Europe and Canada, Zeltique is approved for fat layer reduction. You feel the suction?
The makers of Zeltique are cautious in their claims, and for right now in the U.S., it's not marketed for reducing fat. However, it is well documented that freezing fat tissue aggressively leads to it dying over time.
There's been a long history in dermatology about us knowing that babies, for example, that get exposed to cold can sometimes have a depression in the fat. So dermatologists know that fat is very sensitive to cold.
The process takes about an hour on each side. Dr. Bernstein puts the device on the targeted area.
And now the cold is starting.
At first, the patient feels tingling and intense cold.
It's not uncomfortable. It's just like tight.
An hour later, the doctor removes the device.
It's like a stick of butter.
It's tender and sore. Dr. Bernstein says in about a month, the excess fat will be gone. This man wanted to reduce his love handles. The right side was treated. The left side was not. The process is non-invasive, which Dr. Bernstein says eliminates the risk of complications associated with surgery.
One should never think about fat reduction without first doing all you can the healthy ways, diet, exercise, etc. Then those hard to get rid of areas that just aren't going. I think procedures like Zeltique are a great thing.
Well, Zeltique costs about $1,000 to $2,000 per treatment. Dr. Bernstein says many people are satisfied with one treatment, but others will need two. Tim?
The Berks County